My first inhabitants. Got a couple of mollies. The guy in the back. Here he comes. So mollies can be in saltwater. They're one of the few fish that can be in saltwater and freshwater. So I figured I would start with these guys because my parameters came back as cycled, and I'm pretty sure it's because of the live sand and all the live rock I put in there. Figured these guys would add a little bit of color to the tank and just make sure I get a nice little bio load going on in there. We did our first water change and everything's moving around. I can see little particles in there floating around, so there's lots of flow. I'm excited to be putting in corals soon, and I think I have it laid out to where I can get some corals in there and make it look nice and full. The corals are going to be tiny whenever I get them because I'm cheap. So I'll have a long time to watch them grow. I don't know what this guy's name is yet. I think Zoe named them. What's the orange one's name?
Sunnyside.
Sunnyside, like egg.
Sunnyside.
There he is. And then the Dalmatian.
Pepper.
Pepper. That's original.
Shut up.